So the story goes like this. A man and a 9-year-old boy go out on a fishing trip, a pretty standard father-son bonding session. That is until you throw a 7-foot shark into the mix.
That's a big boy.
Kevin Stevens and his son Hunter had been out fishing for a good 3 hours off the Texas coast and were about to call it a day till they caught this. They were dragged along in their tiny kayak for about an hour by the huge black-tip shark until sensible Kevin eventually decided to cut the line. Wouldn't have fancied his chances trying to get that fish on the boat.